Hello friends, welcome to Engineered. In last video we see about some of the details of single objective functions. So this is one of it, that is convex function. So how we calculate a function as a convex. So the function is said to be a convex if and only if its Hazen matrix is positive definite. We will aware with what is positive definite, negative definite, or positive semi-definite. Okay, so let's solve one problem on it. So we will get more clear understanding of how we calculate whether function, that given function is convex function or not. So this is the question is given, and we have to find it out whether that function is convex or not. So this is the function, and first and foremost step is to calculate initially the gradient of this function. How are we going to calculate the gradient? Initially we partially differentiate this function with respect to x1, so we will get 6x1 plus 3x2 plus 4, and then for the second one we are going to partially differentiate this function with respect to x2, so we will get minus 4x2 plus 3x1 minus 5. After calculating gradient, then calculate the Hazen matrix. So Hazen matrix is nothing but the double gradient of our function. So again differentiate that term, this terms, and calculate the Hazen matrix. Again differentiate this term and this term with respect partially with respect to x1. So we will get 6 here, and when we differentiate this with respect to x, we will get 3 here. And for this type, we have to differentiate this term, this whole term with respect to partially with respect to x2, we will get this one, and then again this partially with respect to x2 we will get minus 4, and this is our Hazen matrix. So we know how to know whether our function is positive definite or negative definite or positive semi-definite. So we have to see for these terms. Okay, here a1 is the 6, which is positive, so okay. a2 a2 is means this matrix, we have to solve for this matrix, which comes to be minus 33, which is negative. So this matrix, so by using this a1 and a2 term, uh, we calculate it as, or we found out that it is not positive definite or not negative or not even a semi positive definite. So from that, or from this term, from a1 and a2, we will conclude that our above function, that is this function, is not a convex function, because for the convex function there is only one condition, that our Hazen matrix should be positive definite. Okay, let's see one another example. So this is also the same type of example. Here we are also here we have to find whether our function is convex function or not. Similar procedure we have to apply. Initially calculate the gradient of function. How we going to calculate the gradient? Partially differentiate this term with respect to x1 initially, we will get this one, and then later partially differentiate this function with respect to x2, we will get this one. Then again calculate the gradient, means this is nothing but the Hazen matrix. Calculate the Hazen matrix, and then from Hazen matrix, here our a1 is 6 and a2 means mod of this one is 15. Both are the positive, means our Hazen matrix is positive, so we will conclude that our function is a convex function. As we know that for the convexity of function there is only one condition, our Hazen matrix should be positive definite. So for if suppose there is a question, means for any type of question, if somebody asks us to calculate whether that function, or ask us whether that function is convex function or not, so we have to apply this method for calculating or for checking whether this function is convex function or not. First step is to calculate the gradient, second step is to calculate the Hazen matrix, and from the Hazen matrix see whether it is positive definite, negative definite, or semi positive definite. If that function is semi positive definite, sorry, if that function is positive definite, then means if that Hazen matrix is positive definite, then that function is convex function. Okay, thank you for this video.